Hello, welcome to take two of this week's lesson. Just wanted to cover this week chapter 4. I guess it's covering Newton's second law. And he has 3 laws, so there isn't too much more than that. Newton's second law, which states that force, which is measured in newtons, named after Newton, equals mass times acceleration. And we'll just put ACC for acceleration. Okay, kind of hard to hold it with one hand and video, but mass, we're going to use metric units, so they're generally measured in kg, but pounds will work. And then acceleration is in meters per second squared. So it's normally written second to the second squared power, or sometimes it's written like this: meters per second. Okay? All right, so what does that have to do with it? In order to accelerate a mass, if there's less mass, you can accelerate it more. So here we're gonna do a short demo. We'll have 2 cans. So, okay, and here we have rubbing alcohol. So first shake the rubbing alcohol. You gotta get this shaken. This is like expired years ago, 2016. But it still works for our purposes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the 2 cans on some pencils and see how they accelerate. So first we want to get about an equal amount of alcohol in each, and we're just gonna fill in the alcohol, like so. Okay, I'm doing it in a very well ventilated environment just in case we got burning. So you can get some on your hands. The important part is not to drink it, because isopropyl is one of those alcohols. It's not the drinking alcohol. It's when it gets stuck into the protein in your blood. It's just, in alcohol dehydrogenase, it gets stuck in there and it doesn't leave. So it basically kills that protein. That's why it's considered a poison, but it is also a poison for bacteria who happen to use kind of the same thing. So we filled it with the vapor, and let's see if we can get this to go. Okay, so you saw this. This is like a tin can. It weighs quite a bit. Juice. Now let's try it with another can. So again, we're gonna fill this. Oh, I already filled it. The reason I'm dumping out the liquid is because it's not going to burn more than the liquid for the initial blast. So I'll dump out the excess alcohol. And what do you think will happen to this can? Will it go further? Shorter? What do you think will happen? All right, got your predictions? Let's see what happens. So we got a little bit better result. It popped off. Probably having this paper wet did not help with that. So hopefully you guys understand the concept of Newton's second law: force equals mass times acceleration. And there's a bunch of variables we can change, right? You can definitely change the type of cans. For our sake, the fuel mixture, we're limited to whatever we're using, but obviously rocket scientists, they use a vastly different type of fuel to power their rocket cans. And many variables. Anyway, think about it. Hope you guys enjoy this week. Talk to you later.